Hey guys, it's Roseann from LIVFITT, and today I'm going to share with you another delicious green smoothie. It's called Strawberry Cream Green Smoothie, and it tastes just like a strawberry shortcake. I am not kidding, it's delicious. Super simple to make, like all the green smoothies I've shared in previous videos. As a matter of fact, if you like this recipe and the others and would like to receive more, you can download a copy of my LIVFITT 30-day super simple green smoothie plan. There's 32 recipes in here, and this is one of them. So let's dive in. So today, I've got my high-speed blender. I've got a Vitamix blender. I'm going to be using Beet Top Greens. Now, I've suggested spinach. You can use super greens, kale, whatever you want. But these Beet Top Greens are actually just as delicious as spinach. They're not bitter at all. They're kind of sweet. So I would recommend that. Don't throw those beet tops away if you buy fresh greens or fresh beets. I'm going to put 2 handfuls in. Now, you know I like mine green, but for the sake of this video, it's just going to be 2 handfuls of greens. Next, we're going to add strawberries. So I've got a cup of fresh strawberries. You could also have frozen organic strawberries as well, but I've got them fresh, so why not? And if it's strawberry season where you're at, buy extra, freeze them up in 1 cup servings. That way you're ready to go. The next thing we're going to add is cashews. Now, this is about 1/3 of a cup. You can go anywhere from 1/3 to 1/2 a cup of cashews. I like to get cashews that are organic and raw. Cashews, like most nuts, tend to have mold on them. That will cause digestive problems. So if you get them already vacuum sealed, use them, put them in the freezer or refrigerator, keep them sealed airtight so that they don't get additional mold or fungus on them, and it'll be better for your belly. The next ingredient, I'm using medjool dates, and these are pitted. These are also organic. I like to soak my dates in water because I leave them in the refrigerator like my other things, and they harden up, and this blender can take it, but I like to soften them up a little bit. And the cool thing is this cup of water also, as it softens, it'll get sweeter. Now dates, people go, oh, that's a lot of sugar, but here's the thing. The thing about dates that's different than regular sugar is the fact that it's got fiber. There's a lot of nutrition in there. For the 20-some calories per date, you're going to get a lot more bang for your buck. You're going to have magnesium, potassium, copper, zinc, a lot of really good stuff besides the fact it's going to make it sweeter. Now, I'm also going to throw about 6 to 8 ice cubes in here. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit, I'm just going to put actually I'm not measuring very well, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of organic vanilla extract. Okay, that kind of smooth it out. Now, like all the smoothies I've talked about, you can make this a complete meal by adding a vegan plant protein. And you know I like Orgain, that's one of my favorite products. But if you don't want to make it a complete meal, you want to make it more of a dessert smoothie, you don't have to have the protein powder in there. But the bottom line is you've got good fats, you've got good carbs, and you've got fiber. So this is yummy for your tummy. So that's all we're going to do. I've got 2 cups of the greens, I've got a cup of strawberries, I've got about 1/3 cup of cashews, I've got 3 dates, I've got some vanilla extract. I do not have protein powder in here. And I just blend this bad boy up, and this will make about 1/4 of green smoothie. And look at it, it's not even green. It's brown, but it's not green. And it is absolutely delicious, I can promise you that. So if you're interested, again, in this recipe and others, make sure you click the link below and download my 30-day super simple green smoothie plan. It explains all about different kind of liquids, different kind of greens, delicious recipes, for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for snacks, for desserts, and other things that you can up-level your green smoothie with superfoods and essential oils. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you will enjoy this strawberry cream smoothie that tastes just like strawberry shortcake. Have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay strong, and enjoy your green smoothie. Bye for now.